So hello everyone, I'm going to start this first chapter of class 12, that is relation and function. So before starting this chapter, I just want to go through a certain portion of class 11 which we have studied, that is set. So what was set? A set was well defined collection of objects. So if I have like A, B, C, D. So if I have to define this, it says that it is the first four letters of English alphabet. So a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now moving from that, we came across with Cartesian product. And Cartesian product was what? If I have two sets, that is set A, suppose set A was given by A and B, and I have another set B that is given by C and D, then the Cartesian product of these two sets will be given by A cross B, and that is equal to, it will form ordered pairs. And what type of ordered pairs it will form? In those ordered pairs, you see, from pairs you can think of two elements are there. Okay, ordered means what? There is a particular order in which the elements occur. What order? That order is that the element of the first set, the elements of the first set will be the first element of the ordered pair. So I see A is the first element of this ordered pair and A is the element of A. Likewise, we have another ordered pair, that is A comma D. Same way we have B comma C and we have B comma D. So that's how we will do Cartesian product if we have two sets A and B like this. So all the elements of A forms the first element and all the elements of B forms the second element. This is how we do Cartesian product. And if I have to find the number of elements of any Cartesian product, it will be number of elements of A into number of elements of B. So that comes out to be 4, right? If I have to find the number of elements, as you see, there are 4 ordered pairs are in here. Understood? So this is how we have studied Cartesian product. Now we came across to this chapter, that is relation and function. So first, what does it deal with? So the concept of this chapter is derived from the link that exists between two or more objects if there is a recognizable connection between them. So basically, relations are denoted by capital R, and this is nothing but, these are also a set. Now a set of ordered pairs in which, so a relation is also a set of ordered pairs. Listen very carefully, but there is a fact in here. The fact is that it will form ordered pair with those elements, the elements which are related. Only elements which are related will form the ordered pairs. Suppose I say, let me just show you an example about this relation. Suppose I say there are two boys and two girls are there. There is Ram, there is Rahul, there is Sunita, and there is Priya. There are two boys and two girls. Now if I have to do Cartesian product of this two boys and two girls, let us say that A denote the set of boys and B denote the set of girls, right? Now if I have to do the Cartesian product of that, so I will have A cross B is equal to, I'm not going to write Ram, I will just write R1 because Rahul is also R. So R1S, that we have R1S, comma R1P, comma R2S, then we have R2P. So this is the ordered pair which we got by doing the Cartesian product of A and B, right? The ordered pairs which we got, that is Ram Sunita, Ram Priya, Rahul Sunita, and Rahul Priya. Okay, so this is the Cartesian product of A and B. Now we define a relation. Now how do we define a relation? The relation which we define is relation, we have ordered pairs. I told you what it is, a set of ordered pairs, but there must be a relation between those elements. So I am defining a relation, that relation A comma B ordered pair, where A is the brother of B. A is the brother of B. So I am defining a relation between A and B in here. So if only if A is the brother of B, then only that ordered pair can be put in this relation. Now here we have collected these two boys and two girls. From these two boys and two girls, we came to know that Ram is brother of Priya. We came to know this thing that Ram is brother of Priya. So once we know this thing, now if I have to form this relation set, then in roster form it will be Ram, Priya. Now that's it. That's my relation set. Now you see here, I cannot have Ram and Sunita in here as an ordered pair because Ram is not the brother of Sunita. So that's why it's not satisfy the relation. Same goes with Rahul and Sunita. Rahul and Priya, they are not brothers and sisters. So they will not satisfy this relation. So since they don't satisfy the relation, they will not come under this set, relation set. Now since Ram and Priya satisfy this relation, that is A is the brother of B. So if you think of A is the brother of B, so we can write it as Ram is the brother of Priya. So once this criteria is satisfied, we can directly put them in the set. We can form an ordered pair. Now you see these two are related. Ram and Sunita are related. That's why they form the ordered pair of that particular relation. So this is how we'll get relation. Okay. So now let's go with this slide, that let A be the set of boys of class 12 science, let B be the set of girls of class 12 science. Then some relations of A and B. So how many relations of A and B can be possible? So first and foremost, there can be infinite relations. How? We can say that A comma B is an element of A cross B. Here you see that this A comma B, here Ram comma Priya is what? It's here in here, Ram comma Priya, and this Ram comma Priya is an element of this Cartesian product. So basically we cannot go beyond this. We cannot have any other person in here. We can choose only from Ram, Rahul and Sunita and Priya. We cannot accept any more names or any more any more boys or any more girls. We can only have Ram, Rahul and Sunita and Priya, right? Because the set A has Ram and Rahul and the set B has Sunita and Priya. So we cannot have any more beyond this set, right? So same in here, when we say that A, let capital A be the set of boys of class 12 science, we will be taking only the boys of class 12 science. Right now, there are boys of different classes, class 9, class 10, class 8. We are not going to take them. We'll just take the boys of class 12 science. So here, the ordered pair which we are forming, that is this A cross B, it will be an element of the Cartesian product of A cross B. So basically what we see is that this A cross B have all the possible elements. A cross B have all the possible ordered pairs, right, of the set A and B. So you see all the possible ordered pairs are there. There is no other ordered pairs which we can form. So all the possible ordered pairs are in A cross B, right? So here one of the relations we can define is the height of A is greater than height of B. We can write this thing. This can be a relation. Then we can have that. Suppose Ram and Sunita have brown hair, right? So we can have that students having brown hair. So you see, when you form that relation set, then Ram and Sunita will come. So it's all about which two elements are related with that relation. People are having brown hair. So Ram and Sunita have set, so they form that ordered pair. Okay, it's all about following the relation. Again, another relation will be the roll numbers of A and B are even, the roll numbers of A and B are odd. So like this way we can have infinite relations from A to B. From one set to another set, we can have infinite relations between their elements. Now let's go deeper to this relation portion. So relation, we just pick one of them. So A comma B, element of A cross B, the height of A is greater than B. Okay, so you will have only those ordered pairs in which the height of the boy is greater than height of the girl. Suppose you think the height of Ram is shorter than height of Priya, so we cannot have Ram and Priya as an ordered pair. Now you think the height of Rahul is greater than the height of Priya, so we will have the relation in here as Rahul comma Priya. Now you would be asking, sir, why we are not comparing Sunita and Priya? We cannot compare, we are not comparing Sunita and Priya because it's within its own set. When I am telling the relation is from A to B, it will be like the elements of A will be related to the elements of B, not the elements of B within itself. So that's why we are comparing Rahul and Ram with Priya and Sunita. Okay, it's not among themselves. So every relation from A to B is an arbitrary subset of the Cartesian product of A and B. Now what is a subset? Subset means what? If I have a set A, so set A has 1, 2, 3, and we have another set B. So set B has 1, 2, 3, 4. So subset means that you see here all the elements of A are present in B, right? So A becomes the subset of B. So if all the elements of one set is present in another set, then we can call that set to be a subset of the other set, right? So here we are saying that the relation, every relation which we form, like height, like roll number is even, every relation is we form, at the end of the day it will be nothing but a subset. It will be nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B, because I already told you that Cartesian product comprises all the possible ordered pairs, right? And here you see the Cartesian product between A and B has what? Has Ram and Sunita, Ram and Priya, Rahul and Sunita, Rahul and Priya. But once you go and define a relation was what? A is the brother of B, and here we have what? Ram and Priya. So this relation, this Ram and Priya ordered pair is present in the Cartesian product. Ram and Priya, here we have Ram and Priya, it is present in this Cartesian product. So we can say that every single relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. So we have R is a subset of A cross B. It's very, very important. Okay, so R is a subset of A cross B. So if AB is an element of R, so if I say that AB is an element of R, when can AB be element of R? When A and B are related to each other. When A and B are related by that relation R, right? When I say that relation was what? A is the brother of B. Since Ram was related to Priya, since Ram was the brother of Priya, so we had what? Ram comma Priya, like this way, and that was the element of that relation. So here it means what? A is related to B under the relation R. The relation was what? Brother. A is the brother of B. That's the relation. So Ram comma Priya, Ram is the brother of Priya, so that's why Ram comma Priya is an element of the relation, and it is denoted by what? ARB. Since A is related to B, so it is ARB. So one example is given, that A is given by Ram comma Raj, B is Sunita comma Priya, and we have already discussed that Cartesian product is what? Ram comma Sunita, Ram comma Priya, Raj comma Sunita, Raj comma Priya. So this is the Cartesian product. Now suppose we define a relation that the roll numbers of A and B are odd, and here you see the roll number of Ram is what? 1. The roll number of Sunita is what? Here roll number of Ram is 1, roll number Raj is 2, roll number of Sunita is 3, roll number of Priya is 4. So here all those ordered pairs will form whose roll numbers are odd. So here you see the roll number is odd for Ram and Sunita, right? So here we have Ram and Sunita. Since they have odd roll numbers, that's why they form the ordered pair. That's why they are related to each other under the relation of roll numbers to be odd.